At UL Standards and Engagement, we're working for a safer world. At home, at work, and at play. While you may not see it, our impact is all around, touching many of the products you use every day, from toasters to batteries, refrigerators to fire extinguishers. We develop standards. A standard is like an instruction manual, put together by the best and brightest minds from manufacturers, government, academia, and more, all to make your products safer. The world is changing, so are the risks. And we have our eye on shaping a safer future, one where standards allow innovation to flourish, one where safety preserves access to the products you want and need, and one that gives you greater trust in what you use every day. Because at UL Standards and Engagement, all we make is trust, and we'll keep working to earn yours.